Hello. Welcome to Listen to English AR. 1. Listen to the story without translation. 2. Listen to the story again with the translation turned on. 3. Answer some questions. Maria is a teenage girl who loves reading. One quiet afternoon, she sits in her room, puts on her glasses, and opens a book about the Victorian era. A time from the past with castles, tea time, and beautiful dresses. As she reads, something magical happens. Her modern room starts to change. The bed, the walls, the lamp, everything looks old and elegant. Maria's clothes change too. Now she's wearing a long Victorian dress with lace and ribbons. She walks to the mirror and gasps.
Wow! Is that me?
Suddenly, a maid enters the room and says,
"Your carriage is ready, miss."
Maria walks outside and sees a big carriage with 2 white horses. She gets in. As the carriage moves, she looks outside and sees Victorian men and women. Children are playing in the street. Everyone looks like they're from the past. The carriage stops at a big house with a beautiful garden. Some elegant ladies welcome her.
"Would you like some tea?"
They ask. Maria smiles.
She drinks tea, eats a slice of cake, and laughs with the ladies. Later, she sits under a tree in the garden. The sun is warm, and the flowers move gently in the wind. Birds are singing. She opens a notebook and starts drawing the flowers and trees around her. Maria feels happy and relaxed. But slowly, everything begins to fade. The dress, the garden, the people all disappear. Maria is back in her modern room, sitting on her bed. She is holding the book in her hands. As she looks around, still surprised, Maria smiles and says,
Books are like magic. They can fly us through time. They open doors to places we've never seen and times we've never lived. What about you? Where would you travel to if you had a magical book? Leave me your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear it.
Don't forget to rewatch the video with subtitles turned on to improve your understanding and language skills.
Now we will listen to 3 simple questions to check your understanding of the story, and then we will review some vocabulary. Try to answer these questions in the comments. 1. What is Maria doing at the beginning of the story? 2. What happens to her room while she is reading? 3. What does she draw in the garden?
Mirror, mirror. Notebook, notebook. Glasses, glasses. Carriage, carriage. Castle, castle. Elegant, elegant. Lady, lady. Ribbon, ribbon. Beautiful dress, beautiful dress. Maid, maid. Teenage, teenage. Modern room, modern room. Walls, walls. A slice of cake, a slice of cake. Fade, fade. Era, era. Great job, everyone! You've learned some useful vocabulary today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.